The gateway to Amish country.
Oh. Troyer's Home Pantry, Bakery and Coffee Shop.
Want ice cream?
No. I don't. Ice cream makes me sick. I'll have a bellyache and won't be able to eat dinner. Can't eat it all the time like before. Sucks, you know? Because I really like ice cream.
Like we said before, if you take your medicine like the doctor said.
I think I'm lactose intolerant.
You take your medicine like the
Oh,
doctor
don't
said.
you start. I don't want to hear it.
If you take your medicine like the doctor says.
You're a butt licker.
I know. Let's pull over in the shade here.
Pull over where?
Shade.
There's shade?
Shade. Yeah, right here. Building shady. Oh.
There's something on me. I can't back up.
Huh? You want me to back her up for you? Oh, you pull in, you can back out going the other way.